This is one of my favorites. This is called Sampler, and this is a pretty serious sound design environment. It has some things that I haven't seen before in other samplers because it's visual, and you're literally like, this is the waveform right here. So you can put in, you can import any sound you want, and then you get this waveform, and this is basically like your palette to work with.
It's really pretty.
Yeah, I saw like on one of the messaging boards, the guy who created this, basically he was like, yeah, I just like created this basic thing for people to work with. It's like a basic sampler, and people were like, that is the least of what you did. It's really powerful, and I'm discovering stuff all the time with these. Like there's one where you can choose how long your loop is, but I realized if I drag it backwards, it plays it backwards. So these are things that you just kind of discover over time. So I've imported, you get 6 waveforms to play with, which is cool, because Ableton gives you infinite, so you only have 6, which is a nice limitation.
That's crazy.
So it's an arpeggio, right? The vertical axis is volume. So I recorded that. Do this. It's got a compressor. I really like the way that looks, and then it's got a filter. You can it's a high pass, low pass, which means that you can go both ways. Filter either end of the sound. So you can mix as you go. This is delay. So showing you what note you're delaying by. I can change the intervals. Or use the original one. This is an EBO. So that can get really noisy. If you feel like rocking out. I can change the direction. I can change the note value of the arpeggiator. I can reverse it. So it just reversed the whole waveform, so now we're arpeggiating in a different place. I can play it as a keyboard. It's got a tape machine.
Let's go with that.
Yeah.
So this is like emulating like tape loops basically, and how they mess with the sound.
Whoa.
You can scratch. This is like a string that you disrupt. It's also just a really cool app for DJing with. I took like a vinyl scratchy sound for a sweep. You can also play multiple apps at the same time, which is how I perform. So this has background audio, which means it'll keep running, and then I can choose a different app. This is called Sound Prism. like an organ. So I just played that. I didn't have to compose it. It was just something that happened.
That's neat.
Yeah.